All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to install Adobe Illustrator. So let's go to Creative Cloud here. I already have the Creative Cloud app open. I'm going to click on Install. And what I'm going to do is, before I pause the video here to let this install, you'll notice something up here on Discover. When you click on Discover and select Illustrator, what it's going to do is it's going to pop up different checklists and tutorials and support that you can get for Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so this will naturally do this when you install an application. So let me go back to Apps. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and once this is done installing, then I'll rejoin you and we'll finish up. All right, thanks for watching. All right, welcome back. So you can see right here, Illustrator has been installed. So if I click on Open, if you go down to your taskbar in Windows and your dock in Mac, on the Macintosh or the Mac OS, you're going to notice that the icon is down there. On a Mac, it's going to be bouncing. On the PC, it'll be stationary. If you right-click on it, on both, on Windows, if you right-click on it and you do Pin to Taskbar, then the icon will pin to the taskbar and you'll be able to quickly access Adobe Illustrator. On Mac OS, if you right-click and click Options and keep in Dock, now I can quickly access Adobe Illustrator. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this window here, and in the next video, we're going to talk about the welcome page. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.